Hello and welcome to another episode of What's in Store Fridays. My name is Mark Cockrell and I'm with the Culture and Heritage Museums. And we like to show you what we carry in the store. And today I'm going to feature the Blackberry Spice syrup that we carry, as well as the peach mint syrup. And it's really good. It's made down in Charleston. We're going to give you a couple of ideas how to use this really nice tasting syrup. So today I've made a lemon cake. You can use a box mix or whatever you want, but I made a cake that you just put in a 9x13. When it comes out, you want to take a skewer, a little bamboo stick or something, and you just want to poke a bunch of holes in it. What we're going to do, we're going to be taking the syrup and pouring it over the cake and just let it seep into the cake. And just slowly pour it over your cake. And just let it find all those little holes, let it soak in. You may just want to smooth it around, just make sure it gets all coated in, but you can see it's just seeping right down into the holes of the cake. And that's what you want. Okay. Then once you have that, we want to make up a little glaze for it. So you want to take some 10x sugar. And I'll have these on the recipe on the blog. A tablespoon of the melted butter. And I've juiced up a lemon. You want the juice of a whole lemon. So this is sort of going to be like a lemon blackberry cake. And then again, you want a 1/4 cup of the syrup. And just pour that in there. We're just going to mix it up. And once you got that, it's not a really thick icing. You're just going to glaze the cake really. And spread it around. And depending on how your cake came out, it sort of finds its way. But if you need to, just take a little spatula and move it around a little bit. But don't worry about getting it all coated if it doesn't coat all the way. Like I said, it's just a glaze for the cake. Alright, so we'll let this sit a little bit and we'll cut it up and I'll let you see how good it looks on a little plate. While we let that sit a minute, I want to show you how to make some iced tea using Sally's peach mint syrup. Alright, so you want some unsweet black tea. Just pour that in there. And then you want to add 2 cups of orange juice. Fill your glasses up. And this just makes a really nice, refreshing iced tea using Sally's Greatest Peach Mint Syrup. Okay, so these are just a couple ways you can use Sally's Greatest syrups that we carry here in the shop. You can visit us online as well at chmuseums.myshopify.com. So let's cut up a piece of cake and pour some tea, and y'all come and visit us in the store. And we'll see you next time on What's in Store Fridays.